Assalamualaikum. I will explain the operation of my group project. The title is Smart Automate Ice Cube Vending Machine. First of all, the coding is programmed into the PIC 16F877A through the PIC training kit. When it is connected to the power supply, the PIC training kit will be functioning and a beep sound will be heard. When it is connected to power supply, the PIC training kit will be start functioning and a beep sound will be heard as an indicator that the system is successful, power on the ready to operate. After that, the system will wait for user input and all components such as potentiometer, DC motor, keypad, 7 segment, buzzer, and display will operate according to program instruction. Next, the user need to enter the correct password to unlock the system. After the password is unlocked, the user can select an item. 3 item option will be displayed and the user is allowed to choose only one item. After the item selection is confirmed by pressing 0, the system will display 3 shape options on the LCD. The user is required to select only one shape and press 0 to confirm the selection. Next, the system will display 3 size options where the user can choose one size only and press 0 to confirm. After that, 3 topping options will be displayed. The user select one topping and press 0 again to confirm the final selection. After the topping type is confirmed, the user must adjust the potentiometer to select the desired topping level. Once the preferred level is selected, the user press 0 to confirm the topping level. The selected level will be displayed on the 7 segment. After that, the user press hash key to confirm the purchase. After that, the total price will be calculated by the system and displayed on the LCD. The hash key is pressed at the final step to proceed with payment. After confirming the payment, the user needs to wait the DC motor for 700 milliseconds for the ice dispensing process to be complete. Thank you.